What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on this iPad Pro 10.5. Just pulled it off the heat mat. First thing we're going to do is dip our ply tool into some alcohol, work our way underneath the glass just like that. Don't go in too deep so you don't mess up the LCD. This one, the LCD is broken already, so we don't really care about it, but I'm going to show you how to do it without messing up the LCD. Pretty much just lightly go in there, not too deep like I said, and just all across. Just simple as that. Just pull it back a little like this. Gonna go ahead and get our Phillips screwdriver, remove the battery screw. And when I say disconnect the battery, just by removing the screw doesn't mean the battery is disconnected. You will have to separate the battery from the board. Get a thin piece of plastic, playing card, business card, they will all work. Gently go in there. And when you go in there, you got to go in straight. Don't move it left and right. You don't want to break the little connectors on the battery connector. Okay, hit the power button, make sure we got no power. Nope, no power, we're good. Then we're going to remove the screw that's holding the plate over the connectors. Put it in order. That one's for the right, this one's the left. Remove the plate. Very gently pry up on the connectors. That's that. This one comes with a bonus inside. Don't know why this is in there, but okay, that's ready. Just grab this little guy right here. We're going to remove the little piece of protective tape over the connector of the home button. Pop it up. Gently remove it. I'm going to scrape the glue off the side of the bracket. We're going to get our jimmy, go right underneath the bracket, lift up, go underneath the home button gently, the entire home button including the bracket that the home button sits on. Same thing on the other side. Take your time here, be gentle. You don't want to damage this home button, otherwise you or your customer will lose fingerprint option. Get a little alcohol. Gently pry up. And that's that. Put this aside. Grab our new screen. As you can see, I've already put tessa tape all around the home button bracket. Just going to put some on this bracket. You use this thing will never come back because the home button fell out. And put another layer. That's that. We're going to go ahead and pull the protective layer off of these and put one more layer on top, just so we have the spacing right. Same thing with the other side. Okay, home button's prepped and ready. We're going to peel off the protective film off of this 1mm tessa that's around the home button hole. Okay, grab our home button. We're going to line it up. I'm going to have to move it away from the screen to make sure it's in place. And it is in place. Next we're going to lift, take the protective film off. We're going to grab our Loctite super glue, put a tiny dab on each side. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and line up this bracket. Connect the home button. Push the tab down, grab our sticker from the old screen, put it right on top. Alright, screen's all set and ready. Now with these connectors, hover over the connector on the board. Once you feel that it's not going left, right, up, down, push down. If you feel resistance, don't push too hard. You can damage connectors either on the screen or on the board. It's flowing in fairly well. bracket, grab the screw. Just don't have enough space here, so hold the screen with one hand while you're tightening it. Put the other one in. Okay, we're going to remove the plastic from underneath the battery connector. Going to bring this forward again. Get the battery screw. Go and hook up your battery. This is dead. I'm going to plug it in just to test the screen.
LCD. Alright, so it'll be 30 minutes once I give the type of the phone. Okay. What's your phone number? 321. 321?
Well, that's turning on. We're going to grab our B7000. Go all around.
There is a trip though. He was calling me, I was about to pick up.
So with the glue, you just go all around. Okay, once all around, go ahead and line up your screen. Close it up. That's it. And then you clamp it down. Customer can pick it up in about an hour and a half to 2 hours. The longer you leave it, the better under clamps. Glue dries in about an hour, hour and a half, but it's not fully cured until it's 24 hours. This frame is a little bent. There we go. Just had to bend the frame back a little bit. Straightforward repair, pretty easy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. If there is any videos you would like us to do, also please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe. It really help us out. And we'll put out more repair videos out there for you guys. That's it, job's done. Plug it in, let it charge up for the customer. That's it. You guys have a good one.